Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Erfan Ullah, an assistant teacher of Islam and Moral Education, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School, Banusri, Dhaka. Now, I am going to conduct a Islam and Moral Education class for class 1 student. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks number 1 to 8, lecture number 1, SW number 1. It's my first class with you in this year. It's my name and here is my mobile number. Okay, let's start. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Allah is our creator. We know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran in Surah Jumar, verse number 62, that Allahu khaliqu kulli shay'in. That means Allah created everything. So Allah created us. We can say Allah is our creator. In this gap we have to use Allah. Number 2, Dash has given us all kinds of food. We know that Allah has given all kinds of food, so we can use in this blank Allah. So we can say Allah has given us all kinds of food. Then number 3, Dash means one who provides food. In this gap we can also use Rajak, that we know that the provider of food is Rajak, and also the meaning of this word Rajak, that means provider of food. So in this gap we can use Rajak. Then number 4, Rahman means kind. Rahman is an Arabic word. It means kind, so we can use in this blank kind. Then number 5, Kalima Tayyibah means holy message. We know that Kalima, that means message, and Tayyibah, that means holy. So we can use in this blank holy. Then number 6, we will pray to Dash. We will pray to Allah, because Allah is our creator. For that reason we have to pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then number 7, Allah is the eternal, all depend on Him. In this blank we have to use depend. Then number 8, there is dish like Him. We know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran in Surah Shura, verse number 11, that Laisa kamithlihi shay'un. That means there is none like Him. So we have to use in this blank none. That is, there is none like Him. I am repeating. First one, Allah is our creator. Then second is Allah has given us all kinds of food. Then number 3, Rajak means one who provides food. Then 4, Rahman means kind. Then 5, Kalima Tayyibah means holy message. Then number 6, we will pray to Allah. Then number 7, Allah is the eternal, all depend on Him. Then number 8, there is none like Him. Dear students, our SW topic is fill in the blanks number 1 to 8. You have to submit your SW on this topic. Okay, number 1 to number 8. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you later in next class. Assalamu alaikum. Till then, Allah Hafiz.